Friday morning, back out in the garage. Got all caught up with my sick week stuff this morning. See how everybody's doing down there on sick week. Driving drag event if you didn't know. Turn the camera around here a little bit. And get back at it today. Just a little catch-up, follow-up. I have header gaskets coming. They didn't make it here by today. They won't be until Tuesday. So I won't be able to finish that up. Carb gasket won't be, well, actually I could probably go get it now, but that's only 2 minutes to put that on, so I'm not too worried about it. Hang on a second. Transmission is in. So that's all in finally. Cross member's in. I'm going to pull the drive shaft back out. I guess that was kind of a waste showing you that because you really can't see it. But anyways, drive shaft is it's only set in. It's not really bolted in yet, so I'm going to pull that back out. Down to Waukesha to get balanced. I figure might as well have it checked and get it balanced to make sure it's good to go. So today I got enough work today to get stuff put back in to get this finished up. Get the radiator power steering back on and just get it ready as far as I can and keep at this project. I'll do a follow-up. It's obviously I ain't gonna record all this stuff because it's all repetitive stuff. So all right, get back at it. Yeah, get back at. Still can't talk. Get back to you as soon as I can. All right, I'm updating you, Dad, on them inner tie rods hitting the pan. When I read that on the group chats, I should be fine when I actually go test it. My pan, oh, my finger's in the way. My pan has the dimples in it. If you can see it there, it's dented in already. So at least I ain't got to worry about that, I hope. So until the next problem. Well, Saturday morning, follow up on Friday. Oop, got to turn this around. Got the radiator back in, hoses all on. I got the starter put in, obviously can't see it. Got the ground cables put back on. Started working on the wiring in the back of the motor, made some brackets for that. Them are over there on your side, but the biggest thing is, wait till you see this. Back to the clearance of oil pan. The transmission did not pick it up away from it as far as I thought it would. Oh, hang on a second. So it clears, but it is tight. I don't even know if you can see it. Ooh. Get my hand out of the way. It won't focus on it. But anyways, it's like a hair. I mean a hair. Yeah, I can't focus on it. But anyways, so I gotta jack the transmission up and see if I can get a die grinder and just clear it out a little bit. So yeah, the fun is not over with yet.
2,000 years later.
All right, Friday morning. I got some parts in so I can get some work done today. My brake line came in, which is not going to be fun. I forgot to put that in before the motor went in. And what happened there is when I was working on the frame, I slipped off the frame and I caught my foot right there. And everything got pulled to a big loop. And it took all the bends out of it. So yeah, it saved me from breaking my neck. But on the other hand, it's going to make a lot of work for me. And I got my oil filter relocation. So I got that. I got to get that lined up and in. And I got 2 dry filters so I can make sure it all fits. I got my header gaskets in. AFR header gaskets, which definitely matches the ports a lot better than the hooker header ones. So that's that. What else did I get in? Oh, my heater hoses came in. And I ordered my wing nut right away, as long as it was ordering. And that's what I got for today. So I'll get working on that. And I'll do a follow-up afterwards. So it's getting there, slowly but surely. Oh, I know another thing too. Drive shaft is all balanced, ready to go. He said it wasn't bad, so that was good. But he said he tweaked it a little bit to make sure it was perfect. That was $110. Had that done at Machine Services in Waukesha. So I think it was like 110, 112 bucks. So I guess it's cheap insurance. Alrighty, we'll get to work. Well, it's pretty much in the afternoon already. I think it's around 5 o'clock. And I'll turn this around here and show you what I got going. I picked up this pre-bent stainless steel line to go from the left to the right side. A very nice piece. The only problem was it was short. It wanted to go way up on the top of the frame, and I couldn't do that because of that oil pan issue. So I started making my own, and I was doing real good. Come to the last bend, and look at that. That ain't supposed to be there. So yeah, so I had to make a new one. Just put the last bend in that. I'm gonna put that in, see how that goes. Drive shaft is in. One header gasket's in. I put the first tightening on it. You gotta let it sit for a while, and then I'll double check them all. And yeah, I'm gonna put that line on now, and hopefully it fits. All right, follow up on Friday afternoon. The brake line definitely kicked my ass. Probably took me 5.5 hours, but it's in. Let me turn this around. So there it is. Looks original from there. And this side here turned out pretty good too. It wasn't easy to get in, but let's see here. Yeah, you can't ever see shit. There it is. There we go. Come on. Focus, Danielson. Anyways, that one there. And that one looks pretty stock. And this header's on too now. Heater hoses are on. That's what I ended up doing like that. Looks nice. I'm thinking about possibly getting a 90 for this one, and then put a valve in it so I can shut the heat off in the summer because there's no air conditioning. That way I know there's not going to be any heat running through the heater core, and then I ain't going to worry about the warming up in there. Alright, that's about it for today. Like I said, the brake line pretty much kicked my butt, but it's done.